Is this just something that's just kind of evolved over the years to what it is today?
Well, it's become increasingly worse, really, in the 20th century. That the Supreme Court really has done two things. It's failed its duty as far as keeping in check Congress and our president from exercising powers that they really don't have. And what's happened is the court has turned its attention upon the states and has prevented the states from enacting powers that were given to them by their people and that the Constitution and the founders intended the states to be able to exercise. And it involves a variety of things, prayer in public schools, regulation of pornography, burning the American flag, issues of abortion or gay rights. These were all powers that each state was allowed to make decisions on its own, and it could be different from other states. The founders never intended for there to be a uniform standard on these things, and it was not the business of the federal government to be involved in those domestic issues. Those were all issues that states were to decide on a state-by-state basis. And the court has essentially suppressed state power, but allowed an expansion of federal power that was never intended.
How does this affect us as a society?
Well, I think fundamentally, what the founders intended and what is the greatest danger to our liberty is centralization of power. That's why they expected to have each one of the individual states really be an experiment in democracy. So, for example, one state may choose to have prayer in its public schools, another may choose otherwise. The same thing with abortion, for example. One state may choose to allow abortions, another may not think it's a good idea, and so on. And when each state can make those choices, and the people of each state can exercise their right of self-government, we're going to see the people vote with their feet and go to those states that have values that meet their needs and their desires.